हे फ्रेंड्स, योर रिव्यू सनी के साथ में आपका स्वागत है। आज मैं रिव्यू करने जा रहा हूँ सिंग इज ब्लिंग व्हिच इज डायरेक्टेड बाय प्रभुदेवा एंड इन द मेन कास्ट वी हैव द खिलाड़ी हिमसेल्फ दैट इज अक्षय कुमार एंड द वेरी बोल्ड एंड गॉर्जियस एमी जैक्सन. To sum up in short, I would say this movie is a one-time entertainer and I give it a 3-star rating. This movie is like every other Prabhudeva no-brainer masala flick. Like we have the Rambo Rajkumar and Rowdy Rathod. So if you have been following and loving Prabhudeva's work in the past, you're sure to love this movie to the core, as this movie keeps up the Prabhudeva legacy. This movie has every formula and tadka that a typical masala flick needs, like the halla gullas, the overdosed comedy and action sequences, the emotion, and a very few hilarious comedy scenes. And the added top up to this movie, I would say, are the stunts that are performed by the very beautiful and gorgeous Amy Jackson, who's the actress in the lead role. And then coming to Akshay Kumar, as you always know, is naturally funny. So to watch this blinked up version, I would say you can watch it for one time and you'll have a lot of fun in the theater. First and foremost, 5 points why you need to watch this movie. The first one is you have Akshay Kumar in the lead role, which means you are sure to have a dose of laughter outburst all throughout the movie, as Akshay Kumar is naturally funny. Coming to the second point, we have the very beautiful and gorgeous Amy Jackson in the lead role. She is not just beautiful in the movie, but she has done the stunt and action sequences very beautifully, with flexibility and perfection. And coming to the third point, we have Lara Datta in her comeback, and I would say her comic time is just awesome. And then coming to the fourth point, I would say if you are looking for blooming up your mind with some masala, this movie will give you masaledar comedy, masaledar action, and a masaledar climax to enjoy all throughout. And finally, the story of this movie is about Pravtar Singh, a Punjabi guy who is happy-go-lucky, and he is found wandering and dancing all around in his place. And that's when his father calls him as Awara Ladka and asks him to move to Goa on a job. And that's where he meets the lead actress Amy Jackson, who is Sarah in the movie, who is come in search of her mother in India. And that's when Akshay Kumar helps her to get her mother. And in between all this and in this verge, they bump onto a gangster, and this gangster happens to be in contact with the main villain of the movie, that is KK Menon, who has played the role of Mark and who is behind Amy Jackson, who is Sarah in the movie. And now he comes to know that Sarah is in Goa, and he plans a perfect plan. Now what happens next? Does Mark find Sarah? Does Akshay Kumar, that is Raftar Singh's love story with Sarah, work out? And what is more interesting and exciting is that Sarah doesn't know Hindi, she knows only English, and Raftar knows only Hindi. And in between all this, Lara Datta acts as a translator and conveys whatever Sarah is trying to convey to Akshay Kumar. And that's where we get a punch and spark of emotion and fun all throughout. Why you would not consider watching this movie in the nearest cinema halls? And the first point would be, if you are not a fan of masaladar films, masaledar action, overdosed comedy, or overdosed action sequences, then you're not sure to love this movie to the core. And then coming to the second point, we do have Akshay Kumar in the lead role, but he's not seen delivering a lot of action or fun sequences, unlike his other films where he's seen delivering a lot of fun and action sequences. And that is for a reason that a lot of action sequences are being taken by the actors, that is Amy Jackson, and Akshay Kumar is left with a very few fun sequences to entertain you all around the movie. And coming to the third point, if you're looking for an out-of-the-box story or something very impressive, then this story is not going to impress you anyway. Then final verdict of this movie, and I would say it's not bad, it's not that good, it's just in between. It's a one-time entertainer, you're sure to get entertained, and you're not going to get bored watching this movie. You will surely get entertained, so go watch this movie in the nearest cinema halls and get entertained, bloom up your mind with the comedy and laughter outburst. So this is Sunny Fernandez signing off, and before I sign off, as I always say, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, Your Productions, and now follow all my written reviews on yourreviews.blogspot.in. Once again, this is Sunny Fernandez signing off. Thank you.